The U.S. Army's decision to axe the M10 Booker light tank program in June 2025 sparked immediate calls for the Marine Corps to seize the opportunity. In an op-ed for Task and Purpose, Lieutenant Colonels John J. Dick and Daniel D. Phillips, leaders of the 3rd Light Armored Reconnaissance Battalion, argued that the vehicle could fill a critical gap in Marine Corps capabilities left open since the retirement of M1A1 Abrams tanks in 2020 under Force Design 2030. Originally built by General Dynamics Land Systems as part of the Mobile Protected Firepower (MPF) initiative, the M10 Booker was envisioned as a lightweight yet hard-hitting platform for infantry support. Armed with a manually loaded 105mm cannon capable of engaging targets up to 4 km away, alongside a 7.62mm coaxial and a .50 caliber machine gun, the M10 combines potent firepower with advanced optics and thermal targeting systems. Despite weighing up to 42 tons in full configuration, it remains transportable by C-17 aircraft and compatible with amphibious deployment, key factors for expeditionary warfare. While the Army cancelled the program due to shifting doctrine and budgetary trade-offs, Marines face a different dilemma. Their pivot toward highly mobile, drone-centric, and light reconnaissance units has left them with a stark vulnerability: a lack of direct fire support against modern armored threats. According to Dick and Phillips, current vehicles like the ULTV and LAV-25 lack the punch and protection needed to counter enemy tanks, fortified positions, or advanced unmanned systems. They contend that the M10 would give reconnaissance forces the ability to not just spot enemies, but decisively engage and destroy them, a doctrine they refer to as offensive reconnaissance. A major advantage of adopting the M10 now is availability. The tank is already developed, tested, and rolling off production lines. The Marine Corps could acquire it through a no-cost Army transfer, a joint buy with tailored upgrades, or a fast-track independent purchase. Its diesel engine, low maintenance requirements, and logistical footprint make it suitable for the Corps' forward-deployed missions. The officers warn, however, that the Marines must avoid inheriting the Army's reliance on contractor-heavy sustainment. They propose a lean, modular support system relying on field-level repairs, 3D printed replacement parts, and minimal external logistics chains, allowing units to remain combat-ready without cumbersome supply lines. There's a precedent for this kind of adoption. The Marine Corps successfully integrated the LAV-25 in the 1980s after the Army passed on it, and it became a cornerstone of mechanized operations for decades. Advocates see the M10 as a potential repeat success story, restoring lost firepower to reconnaissance units tasked with denying adversaries freedom of movement in contested environments. The broader debate over the M10 reflects a persistent tension within expeditionary warfare, balancing mobility, survivability, and lethality. While the vehicle didn't survive in the Army's ranks, proponents believe it could become the missing link in Marine doctrine, an essential bridge between lightweight maneuver forces and the heavy armor once provided by the Abrams. If the Corps hopes to remain credible in future high-intensity conflicts, its scouts may soon need more than sensors. They'll need a tank, and the M10 Booker is waiting in the wings.